Now let's start today's episode.
First of all, it's a huge difference, guys. Subscribe to the channel also.
Farewell to Children's Railway in Ozerki, and it was celebrated with rail detonators. Two local trains collided sideways at the Sealdah station in Kolkata, and nobody was injured. If you want to feature your video on this channel, submit it to link given in description. Also, thanks button is activated if you like the video. Toy train at Bellagio Conservatory. Shinkansen creates snowstorm with its high speed. Buses of Himachal Road Transport Corporation being delivered on train. Locomotive wheel got jammed, so for repair work it is placed on a wheel skate. One special train Slovenska strela on Trutno Martinis route. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we will meet next week.